My name is Todd Sperry. I'm one of the founders of OliverSperry Renovation. We're a commercial general contractor here in Tallahassee, specialize in commercial renovation, and we do new construction too. In construction, it's very unique in the sense that you have a job start to finish, and then you have the next job. So you get, new stuff every time. And as long as you like to problem solve and you organize and everything, construction is great opportunities for you. The beauty of getting your 2-year degree in construction is that you are attractive to be hired as a project engineer, which basically is an assistant project manager. It's more pay than working in the field, and this is kind of the upper level in the construction world. Construction, there's always a need and demand. Not only do you need new construction, but as buildings get to be 30, 40, 50 years old, they need to be rehabilitated. There will be continual demand, from now to the foreseeable future. If you come in with some basic qualifications such as a degree, we hire for attitude, cultural fit, somebody that's willing to learn, somebody that's willing to work. It's kind of like we will provide the knowledge as long as you have the basics.